Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Everyday. So in the last video we were discussing about the git merge fast forward. So if you haven't watched that video, do check that out. So in this video we will be seeing about the git recursive merge or the non fast forward merge, right? So in the last video we saw that whenever we take a branch out of our master branch and there are no commits in our master branch, then on merge the master branch head is linked to the new branch, and the commits of our feature branch is added to the master branch without any change to the commits, right? So in the recursive merge there is situation changes. Like in production there will be situation like whenever there will be most of the time this situation, right? That you will take a new branch from your master branch and some other team members will do some commits and merge with their master. As we can see in this graph, let's say we have M1 and M2, and at this point we created a new branch B1 and B2, but some of your teammate created a new commit in your master or merged his or her branch into the master and will take it as M3 commit. Now in this case the fast forward merge will not work, and we don't need to tell Git also to fast forward or to merge in a certain way. Git is smart enough to decide on its own like how to merge it, right? So we will see this in practice. Like once we have this situation, this kind of situation, then what we will be going to do, what will be the observation and what Git will do. So let's see that in console, right? So I'll clean up these files. So I will create a new folder outside this that will be called git no ff merge. Okay, and I'll go cd dot and cd git no ff. I'll clear the console, right? So let's do a git init here, initialize our folder with git. Now again we will create a master branch here, new folder, we'll name it as master. We'll add a new file here that will be m1.txt. now we are going to add that file, git add dot, and we'll commit that file with a commit message of m1. Okay, then again we are going to create a new file m2.txt, and we will again add that and we'll write as m2.txt. Okay, now let's check the git log -f graph, right? So we have both the commit m1 and m2. Let's clear the console and create a new branch. So I'll create a new branch with git branch. I'll name it as new branch. Okay, now switch to a new branch, git check out new branch. Okay, so we are in our new branch. Just to confirm it, we'll write git branch. So we are in new branch. Now I'll create a new folder here with branch, and I'll add a new file. The file name will be b1.txt. Let's add that file, commit this file to our git add dot git commit -m. I'll add the commit message as b1. Let's check the logs for now. So if you see, I have m1, m2 and b1. Clear the console. Now we will head back to our master branch. Okay, so we'll do a git check out master. So we are in our master branch, right? And now I'm going to add one more file here. So remember, at this point we created a new branch, we added a commit b1, Now I am going to add a commit m3 to our master branch. So I'll add another file m3.txt. Then I'm going to add this file and I'll commit this file -m, and the file name, commit name will be m3. So let's check the git log as of now. So we have m1, m2, m3. So I'll add the graph flag here as well. So we have m1 commit, m2 commit and m3 commit. So now clear the console and head back to our new branch. Git check out new branch. So in new branch we don't have that m3 commit, we have b1. Let's check the logs. So we have m1, m2 and b1 commit only, right? So it's following this m1, m2 and b1. Let's add another commit to it. I'll create a new file again. I'll name it as b2.txt. Okay, and I'll git add dot git, and then I'll write git commit -m. I'll write it as b2. Okay, let's check the logs. So we have m1, m2, b1 and b2. Now let's head back to our master branch. Git check out master. Now here I'll log a graph here. Okay, so this was our previous graph. I'm going to again open a new terminal here. Okay, I'll cancel this one. Now I will be merging my new branch with my master branch. So the command will be git merge new branch, right? And I'll hit enter. So you see it mentions that git merge made by ORT strategy. We have branch b1.txt, b2.txt, and there is the create mode, right? Now if I see git log -- graph, then we see this. So the graph shows us a good diagram. Let's cite this. So you see we had m1, m2 commit, then we had m3 commit. Okay, so the first star is for m1, the second star is for m2, then we had m3 commit. Then we had another branch with commit b1 and b2, and there is another commit added by git, this commit, right? And this is our new branch, and the commit message is automatically added, merge branch, new branch. Okay, so let's understand what just happened here. So whenever we have an extra commit on our master branch and we are merging our feature branch or our new branch to the master branch, what git does is it puts our branch commit in front of the master branch commit, and then it creates a new commit with a commit message. Okay, so we had b1, b2, and then we had a commit message of merge commit, and then this is our head, right? So we see here head master. Okay, so I'll go back to our new branch again, new branch, and I will do a git log. So let's take this b2 commit, paste it here, and this b2 commit and paste it here. So you see both the commits are same. It's just that the branch is put ahead of the master branch or in front of the latest commit of the master branch, and then a new commit message has been added. Now this is important that in a recursive merge we have a new commit added. So why this is important, I'll tell you in the rebase video. So till now what we see is whenever there is an extra commit in our master branch, and so there is one more thing. If you are using GitHub, right? So in GitHub, when you see your branch, it will show you that your branch is one commit behind master branch and 2 commits ahead of master branch. Okay, so we can see that here as well. So let's say I'll create another commit here. Let's create a I'll switch back to master, and let's add another file, m4.txt, and we'll commit that. Git add dot git commit -m4. Right. So to create a git file, first we need to, so I'll go to my GitHub account, I'll create a new repository, I'll add as git test. Okay, it will be a public repository, create a repository. So once created, you have this command git init, git add, git commit. So to add your remote repo to your local, you need to add your origin. Now origin is your master branch, right? So currently the changes that we had done was available in our local branch or local repo. So I'll paste this command, click OK. I'll check git status, and in order to push my master branch to the GitHub, I need to write git push origin main. Is it main or it's master? Okay, so it's master. Git push origin master. Okay, so our files has been pushed to the online repository. Once we refresh it, you see we have it here. Now I have only one branch here, only the master branch. Okay, so if you go here, we have all our 4 folders. We can see our commits here as well. So let's we have this, we go to history, and you see we have the commits here as well. Right, the git log that we see, it's available here. Now let's check out to our new branch. New branch. So let's make another change to our branch. I'll add a new file, v3.txt. I'll add this one, git add dot git commit -m, and I'll add this as p3. Let's try to push it now. So master is up to date. I'll add git push origin new branch. Now it has pushed to our new branch. So we have this message here, new branch had recent pushes less than a minute ago. So let's go to our new branch. We need to refresh this. So you see it shows that this branch is 1 commit ahead and 3 commits behind master, right? So you can merge this or compare this as well. Let's compare these branches. So if you are able to merge and if you don't have any conflicts, then it shows you this message, able to merge, right? So we are not going to merge it here. So I just wanted to show you, like whenever you have a merge in your master branch and that merge is not available in your new branch, then how does Git shows that to you, right? So this is the way it's available. So if you see, these are the 3 commits that are not available in our branch, right? So our branch only has M1, M2 and B1, B2. It doesn't have M3 merge branch, the merge commit, and M4. So in order to sync this with my branch, what I need to do is I will need to merge my branch as well, right? So I can write it as git merge master. So now my master will merge with my new branch. You see, the master changes are here. Now let's clear the console and let's see the log. Graph. So we don't need this here. So you see what is happening here. So initially we had commit M1, M2 here. Then we had our branch B1, B2, right? And then we had our commit B3. Then again we have our commit M3 here, the commit message, and then M4. So Git is preserving the Git history as well, right? So before merge we had our M3 in our master branch, so it merged that with our this local branch. Now this can get pretty much complicated, but the thing remains same. Like we saw that when there was an extra commit in our master, the Git has taken the new branch and put it ahead of its M3 commit. Similarly, it's doing for the new branch as well. Since we had B1, B2 and B3 commit, therefore it put the B3 was the latest commit of the new branch. So now M3 commit was added, the merge commit of the master branch has been added, and then the M4 commit has been added. Now again, since it's a recursive merge, again a merge message has been added here, right? So this is similar to this diagram only, but it's a little bit complicated, right? So that's it for this video, and in the next video we will see about Git rebase. So if you found this information useful, do subscribe to this channel and like this video, and if you have any more queries and feedback, do write that in the comment section.